Ready to ditch that tiny laptop screen for a cinematic experience on your TV? First, let's explore the reliable HDMI connection. Grab your HDMI cable and locate the HDMI port on your laptop. It's a slim, rectangular port, often labeled HDMI. Next, find the HDMI port on your TV. TVs usually have multiple HDMI ports, so pick any available one and remember its number, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Now firmly plug one end of the HDMI cable into your laptop's HDMI port and the other end into the HDMI port on your TV. Turn on your TV and using your TV remote, select the correct HDMI input that corresponds to the port you plugged the cable into. Your laptop screen should now be mirrored on your TV. If it's not, go to your laptop's display settings. Search display settings in the Windows search bar. Scroll down to multiple displays and choose either duplicate these displays to mirror your screen or extend these displays to use your TV as a second monitor. Now, for wireless connections, make sure both your laptop and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your TV, look for screen mirroring, smart view, or mirrorcast options in settings or input menu. The name may vary depending on your TV brand. On your Windows laptop, press the Windows key to open the Connect pane. A list of available wireless displays will appear. Select your TV from the list and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Your laptop screen will now wirelessly appear on your TV. Enjoy streaming your favorite movies, playing games, or presenting your work on the big screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.